So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can use cinematic LUTs or directly on OBS webcams or any other video feed that you want. Now just simply select the source for whatever you want to apply the same effect. Right click over there and here you'll see this option of filters. Just simply click on filters and here hit on this option of add under effects and filter section and hit on this option of apply LUT. Now once you do it, you'll notice this browse option right there. Now from here you can easily browse whatever Premiere Pro LUTs that you want to apply. You can go for the same for DaVinci as well. Now once you select the desired LUT, you can just simply hit on this option of open and you'll notice your simple webcam will now convert to a cinematic webcam. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.